Hello and welcome to our interactive style form. The purpose of this is for tailors to communicate with their customers, to onboard new orders, and also for people who are considering having something made and wonder what the process is like. We use it a lot for our clients, but we wanted this service to be able to be enjoyed by everybody all over the world. So here we go. We're going to run through it with you. You've got your name, you're going to put your name in. We do keep your details on our server, but we don't email and chase people up from these forms. You're going to put your email address in, and then we will email you a lovely PDF of your order that you can send to your tailor or save. Here, you can also offer to send out a copy to your tailor at the same time. This is a great resource for you tailors out there, to put your email in if you're contacting your clients and you want to run through styles with them. The process I use is similar to most tailors. It may differ a little bit, but this is a starting point and there's a note sections at the bottom. Here with three bullet points, and we've got 3-piece suit, 2-piece suit, jacket only, trousers only, and all that happens is when you select a bullet, it will delete the ones that are not important to your particular order. We're going to run through the 3-piece suit because it has all the elements and it'll run you through the options that you would have on your jackets, trousers, etc. If you just wanted to order trousers, on this tutorial just run down to the trouser section, because when you do order and you place the order, it'll condense it and you'll go straight to that section. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to run through it all and it won't take too long. Also, it's quite good for you just to get your head around it, even if you're ordering a pair of trousers on the process of suits. So let's enjoy and let's do it. Let's crack on. First choice, I always say when I'm meeting someone, is how do you like your jacket cuttings, single or double breasted? And you can see you've got two images there. Now on our intelligent form, if you pick double breasted, it'll throw you the button options that go with the double breasted and the single breasted, the options that go with single breasted. And this is because you don't always get, there's a bit of a, where they don't dovetail together, as it explains. Single breasted. One button, shorter guys, usually dinner suits. Two buttons, my most popular one. Three buttons, taller guys, and a lot of my barristers use. Four buttons, chauffeurs' uniforms. These are only as it stands at the moment. With fashion, anything, at the time and place in this video, that's where the trends are. This can change really quickly. If we go to double breasted, you've got your one button show, which means one button's fastens and you've one show button. If you go to, you can see these are all your one buttons with show buttons. And then if you have two buttons, fastening, two show. So it's easy enough to learn that particular one, two show, one show, etc. You can also go on Instagram and Pinterest, Google images, and have a really good look at different images and do a little bit of homework. Because one thing I find is when you're there at your tailors and you're giving these choices, I can tell people mulling things over and they've not really considered them fully before they meet me. Styles of lapels: notch, peak, and shawl. Notch generally with single breasted, peak with double and single breasted, shawl generally single breasted dinner suits. Notch lapel, please. Now, your tailor will give you the right lapel width that goes with your chest size. However, with trends and fashions, lapel moves all over the place. So if you've got a particular a lapel width that you like, put it in here and make sure you put what measuring increment you've used, 4 inches. Pockets. On this form, as it stands at the moment, we've got these choices. You can actually order without the pocket flaps as well. You can add that in your notes section below. So we're looking at straight or slanting or patch. And then would you like a little outside ticket pocket above, which you only get on, obviously, on the one side. I'm going to, on this sample order, just go for a slant. And then don't centre vent, side or no vents. No vents, a fashion item or dinner suits. Side vents are my most popular. 60% of my customers order side vents, 35 centre vents, 5% no vents. Centre vent, then again, it's just a matter of choice. I like my side vents. My most popular is 4-button cuff. Sometimes people with a button 3 may have a button 3 cuff. These are two other options that tailors may offer. We've put them on there, but very rarely used. See, it's easy to fly through this, and I know I'm flying through it all, but it gives you a good grounding of the questions. How do you like your trousers? No pleats usually go with a slimmer leg, and it's in fashion at the moment. A single pleat and two pleats give you a little bit more fabric at the front of the trousers. There again, I suggest that you look these up on Instagram. We may add some images in on this form later. And if we do, that'll be version 2. But for now, go do a bit of research if you're not sure. Your pockets. Straight pockets, ideally on your dinner suits, because you've got a silk tape or a tape coming down it, but not entirely stuck with dinner suits. Slant pockets are my most popular because you can actually get your hand in easily. It's usually brought forward about an inch there. And frog mouth is a fashion pocket. If you have different ideas and you're sending this to your tailor or to myself, there's no harm in adding images and sending clips. This is just to get you going with the meaty part of the order. Trouser pockets, I like no pockets. The reason I like no pockets, I think you get a cleaner fit on the back side of the trouser, and I don't like the idea of someone getting their hand in the back pocket. But there again, personal choice. So personally, I like no pockets. Then we're now going to look at the choices of plain or turn-ups. Plain bottoms most popular. Turn-ups are in fashion. Turn-ups generally go with pleats. It's not a rule, but they generally do, single or double pleats. But at the moment, turn-ups are in fashion with a flat front. So all the things I say are a rule, not a rule, a guide. The whole point of having something made is have what you want. Flying down to the next one, belt loops or side adjusters. Belt loops are popular on 2-piece. Side adjusters always work for me better on a 3-piece. I personally prefer the side buckle adjusters on my 2-pieces as well because I don't like to wear a belt, and I think that if you have a pair of trousers made, then they should fit, and I think it's a little tailor touch. Another thing to think about is, would you wear braces? And if you do, if you tell your tailor you want brace buttons in, he will have them, and you put them in the comment section below. Onto waistcoats, it's the same as the jacket. What we've done, double-breasted, deletes the options you don't need, and single-breasted deletes the double-breasted you don't need. I'm going to go for single-breasted, 5 buttons. Do I want a lapel? That's the collar touch on your jacket. Speak again. You can tell this is a just-in-time, day-off-the-cuff video. Let's keep going. Peak lapel, the same as your jacket with a little point, or a notch lapel, or a shawl. I'm going to go for a little peak lapel on my waistcoat. And how do I want my pockets on my waistcoat? Well, jetted, I like a little slit effect. Then again, I might pop some images in later, but we want to get this form up and running and get it out there. So this is version 1. Your welt pocket is the pocket of the same as you get on your chest pocket on a jacket. It's the same type of pocket. So here we're going to go for a 2 welt pocket. And if you've got any other details you want to put in here, then this is where you'd add it. So I don't know, I would like a red colour lapel. There you go, tick and confirm, submit your order, and that will now be on your way to your email box and on your way to tailors. Thanks for watching this off the cuff video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.